Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can block hashtags on TikTok. So there is no direct method to block hashtags on TikTok. You will see a lot of TikToks. So here is no method to directly block it. But you can do that indirectly. So what I mean by that is that if you don't want to see any video regarding a hashtag, don't engage with it at all. For example, don't give a like or don't comment. The other method is to go to this share icon and here you need to click on not interested. So now TikTok will make sure that you don't see any of the video related to that hashtag that they used in their video. For example, if you don't want to see this video, click on the share icon and then click on not interested, and now no video will show up regarding that hashtag. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.